In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT 5 to generate or to create the Tetris 3D modeling game. Okay, so it's very easy to create. So once you're here, you can just go ahead and type in the prompt. Can you create a Tetris game for me? Okay, so the good side of it is that with ChatGPT 5 right now, you can be able to generate the image, create the game. It will give you the code at first, and then you can copy the code and run it somewhere, or you can run it on ChatGPT. So it's now very, very easy to run codes, be able to visualize your results on ChatGPT. So you can see the codes that is being given, some lines of code and all the details needed for this game creation. So let's give you some seconds to finish generating the code, and then we can run it to see what kind of game it is going to give us. Okay, so the code is done. So you can see the details over here, what you need to do, but then we can run it again on that ChatGPT. Also, so you can see over here, you have the option to copy the code, download the code, or even share it with someone, or you can run the code on the GPT platform. So let's go ahead and click on run the code. As you can see, the game has just been created. You can see the different Tetris features, the score, the level, the lines, what is coming next. So you can also be able to get ready and prepare. So you can see the controls down here. To move, you use the arrows to rotate, the soft drop, space to hard drop. You can see once you hit on the space, you have to click on the start button now to start. So with the space, you can see the fast drop. You can use the arrows to move sideways. Okay, so you can see, and then you can hit, and then you'll be able to move around very easily. You can see the game very, very interestingly created by our ChatGPT. So you can rotate with the up letter, okay, up and down, you can use to rotate and so on. So you can just go ahead and try to play and explore and see what kind of game you can be able to create with this GPT. All right. So if you found this helpful, please leave a like.